Hey, what's up guys? So let's see how to replace the engine air filter from this Mercedes W204. So right on top of the air filter housing we've got the computer of the car, and there are two ways to remove the filter. The fast easy way is to remove these three screws from here, and then we've got two more screws on the other side, and we can take out this cover just enough so we can take out the filter. Or we can remove as well the computer of the car, take it out, put it on the side, then we get full access to the air filter housing. So we need to basically press these button clips here and it will come out. Alright, so now let's remove the screws. We've got 6 of them, around 7 with one in the middle. Okay. Now we have the chance to clean up very well the filter housing. Now let's place the filter back. We've got a hole here, so we need to install it this way. Okay, let's place the cover. As I said, these clips, you need to press these two tabs towards that direction and they will come out. There's nothing on top, but on the sides here, on both sides. That's how you secure this wiring harness. Now let's tighten back this E10. So just give it a couple of turns after you tighten them by hand. So that's pretty much it about this air filter change. Have a nice day, take care, and I will see you in the next video.